Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Richie and Vanessa. I'm Vanessa.
I'm Richie.
And we are hitting the road today for a road trip. We are so excited, and our first stop is going to be super cool. It's a super unique place to sleep at.
Yeah, it's one of those unique stays that we've done a couple of so far.
Yeah, so can't wait to show you guys. I'll give you a hint. It's in San Diego, and just wait till we get there. Hi friends, I am sitting in the car. We are, I would say, about halfway to our destination of San Diego. There's been a lot of traffic so far, and we just stopped at a McDonald's. Richie went in to throw our trash away and use the restroom, and yeah, so just thought I'd check in with you guys, and hopefully we'll be at our destination soon, and I'm hoping for less traffic from here to there now. Fingers crossed. Not sure if you guys can see, but there's a bunch of people paragliding. I think that's super cool and something I would like to do someday. Hi guys, we just got to our destination, which is the San Diego Zoo Safari Park. And in case you didn't know, you can sleep here. So this is our first stop for our road trip. We are actually going to be sleeping here tonight. So super excited.
And this time the tent's built for us already.
We don't have to build it ourselves. But yeah, we are super excited, and we'll see y'all inside.
The animals here in the African Savannah, like the Cape Buffalo on the driver's side. These are my absolute favorite animals that we have here. Cape Buffalo, different types of shrimp and krill which have carotenoids. When the San Diego Zoo first opened, we had a male and female southern white rhino that weren't having any babies. Couldn't figure out why. And so when our founder, Dr. Charles Schroeder, opened up the safari park, he wanted to do impressive set of antlers on top of their head. They're going to use their horns in order to defend their resources. Things like these two yellow-billed storks are not agreeing about who gets to sit in the tree. And in the center of this habitat looks like our vulture is showing off their impressive wingspan. You all did so wonderful in the back. Giraffes tend to be a little bit shy, but you could see that they were eating grass on the other side of the tram path. You know what they say. Grass is always greener on the other side. This is what they're talking about. Hungry giraffe. Oh my goodness, do you see this Patterson Zealand scratching his belly on the beach? Ma'am, what is going on? She's like into it. Get it. Must be a good scratch. You'll see they have spiralized horns on top of their head. They could use those to itch their backs if necessary.
I see little scars.
Wow. You can tell them apart if you come here often by looking for the giraffe that is tall, dark, and handsome. Good way to tell go on smart on the rest. They're very similar to equines, so they're going to spend a majority of their day eating. If you see gorgeous white coloration, those horns.
Look at this. Look at it.
Do y'all see what I'm seeing? Look at these hands, holy cow. And you see this one trying to break off brows using his horns?
What is that guy doing? His neck is so flat.
Not very successful, but he's trying. And those horns stretch about 6 feet across from tip to tip. Take a look at those.
Welcome to our crib. We are tent 30 for the night. Fun story, our bags got lost, and if it wasn't for me going to get a glass of wine, I wouldn't have noticed that they were off to the side. So
They were just gonna leave them on the sidewalk.
wine saved the night. And, oh wow, there's nothing in there. And there's nothing.
Nothing.
Good. Let me take your drink.
Oh wow.
There's nothing.
They did give us one.
Yay.
I brought one, but they did give us one.
We paid $300 for an empty tent. Yes. We're gonna go find the bathroom, which is actually right behind our tent. We're not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing yet, because we might hear flushing toilets all night.
Yeah, maybe.
But if we have to go in the middle of the night, we don't have to scavenge around and
Cut through people's
fall, get injured looking for the bathroom. So we're gonna go do that. And then I was kidding about paying $300 for an empty tent. It actually comes with a lot of private tours. We already did one private tram tour.
Which you just seen.
And we also got dinner. We're gonna get snacks around the campfire, which is s'mores. And then right now we're gonna go on a private walking tour of the park. So yeah, we didn't pay $300 for an empty tent. I was just kidding. It helps with conservation.
Yeah.
So the park is really big on conservation, especially the northern white rhino. There's actually only 2 of them, and they are trying really hard to bring them back. They've already helped the southern white rhino, so you are contributing to a good cause. So yeah, we'll see you guys on the night tour.
Said it much better than I did.
We'll see you guys on the night walking tour. You guys, so we're in the tent. We're getting ready to go on our night walk. And we just heard the lions roar, and then we heard an elephant, I don't know what you call it, but like
Scream.
I guess scream. It was the coolest thing. I mean, like, it's so quiet, and then you just hear this lion roaring, and then this elephant screaming. It's awesome. Oh my gosh, how cool.
She's so beautiful. Hi, Miss Mama. But we got to hear that really awesome behavior. Hi guys, each one makes 2. So start off with 1 boat, and then when you're done, just bring it up, bring the boat back up if you guys want more.
Cool. Thank you.
Alright, right there, up there, to me.
You can have marshmallows and chocolate.
So we'll get those 2 chairs at the end.
Not all the time. I guess it's burning sit here, buddy. Okay, so let me see all rows in
First s'more.
My first real s'more. I've never had a real s'more before.
You're gonna want to get a little closer, honey.
Oh, really?
Alright, come over.
Very good. Hi friends. It is the end of the night. I hope we got some night walk footage that we can show you. We're not sure because it's pretty dark out there.
Yeah, I tried to get some elephants, but I couldn't see. I mean, I couldn't even see with my own eyes, so I can imagine the camera would be able to see it.
It was really dark, but if we did get anything, you guys just saw it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a great day, full of things to do. They like keep you busy
Yeah.
during this tour. Wake up call is at 6:15 a.m., which is pretty early for most people. It's not too bad for me, so I'm okay with it.
It's pretty bad for me.
I'll probably actually be up at like 5:45 to be honest, but yeah, we'll see you guys in the morning. There's a couple of things we're going to try to get done here at the park, And then there's something really cool about 45 minutes away from here
It's a little detour.
that we want to show you guys because it looks awesome. And yeah, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you aren't yet subscribed, please do go ahead and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free for you and it totally helps us out. And stay tuned for the next episode that's coming up.
See ya.
Bye.